This question made people argue before hoarseness from the time of the ancient Greeks to our days, and the answer is still not found. What came first, chicken or egg? If you take the question literally, then the answer is simple. Her soul cycle animals appeared long before the hen. Strictly speaking, the egg were older than a chicken, but a more precise wording is chicken or chicken egg puts in front of us an endless loop of cause and effect. Then eat if the chicken hatched from an egg, or did the egg come from chicken, which is also from an egg? So it was first team on one side of the field. Chickens, according to scientists, to form chicken eggs need protein, but you've 17, and it is only in the ovaries. Chickens without it, the shell of chicken eggs is not conform, i.e. without chicken no chicken egg will turn out. But this raises the question of defining what such a chicken egg is. An egg that laid a chicken, or just an egg with a chicken inside? It is clear that chicken with protein ab 17 had to come from somewhere, but if an elephant lays an egg, from which had pizza? Yo, it'll be an elephant egg or lion. This brings us to the command version egg club opponent. During reproduction, two organisms shared their genetic code in the form of DNA, but this DNA never copied 100% exactly. Often in a new organism, slight differences occurred during thousands of generations. These tiny mutations in DNA creates new types of animals. But mutations occur in yawning original cell, and this is one single huge cell. Eat a very chicken-like creature, let's call it pro-chicken, argued about a rooster, and because of a small mutations appeared the first chicken. Of course, from an egg means first there was an egg. Of course, the chicken team will say that the chicken just grew in a pro-chicken egg. However, no species on Earth was born from a single mutation, though we love to rub animals into classes, squads, and types. It reflects today and the state of affairs, and not what it was millions of years ago. The process of evolution so slow that no specific chicken smoky family was not pioneers of a new species. Here's an example. Dogs are descended from wolves. When people started to lure, there was no time to domesticate wolves when the wolf suddenly gave birth to a dog. Instead, this was a gradual artificial selection. That is, we collected wolves that were not afraid of people and were not very angry, and hundreds of generations later became noticeable. Huge difference in genetics and behavior. And what follows from this? We have left two options: some ancient eggs, the cemetery, and the birds gradually turned into. In the pro-chicken graveyard, you pro-eggs in. One of them has a mutation. Gave domesticated chickens some advantage. This was the first chicken who began to lay chicken eggs in. In this case, the chicken was first, or we have about the chicken that gave birth. A normal chicken, and therefore an egg is necessary. Call chicken, then the first was the egg. And here we are back to the definitions. And the question, what is a chicken egg question? Then it must be said in meaningless final. In the end, everyone will agree whether the egg was chicken or proto-chicken. 100% chicken hatched from an egg. The egg came first. And it seems it doesn't happen much sometimes. It even seems that it is sorely lacking. But what happens if you completely abandon sleep?